Hi, my name is Freddie Soto, and today we are going to talk about knowledge management tools. Some of the benefits of implementing knowledge management tools are centralized file storage, team collaboration, communication amongst team members, competitive advantages, and innovation and improvement. Knowledge management tool selection. Key stakeholders should discuss their needs of the knowledge management tool. Input should be considered when making selection of the knowledge management tool. Management and employees within other departments of the organization should be a part of the conversation. Organizational requirements and guidelines must also be considered when making this decision. This is important because when purchasing a knowledge management tool, these often come at a high price. Organizations must be sure to utilize the tool for everything that it's worth to make sure they can get the most value out of the tool. When buying a tool and only considering certain stakeholders or certain departments, it leaves out the tool to see if other departments could utilize the same tool. If not, then you're going to have a bunch of departments purchasing different knowledge management tools. File sharing within knowledge management tool. File sharing is an efficient way for employees to access needed documents from a central database. This ensures that employees are accessing the latest versions of documents and forms needed. Documents can be uploaded and edited as needed within the shared portal. Accessing documents from a centralized storage is vital to an organization. It makes sure that all employees can find what they need efficiently because there are certain deadlines that need to be met, or if you work for a government entity, there's also some requirements, especially with these deadlines, and you don't want to be scrambling at the last minute emailing folks trying to find a certain document that's needed or a certain record. Keeping records and documents all centralized and keeping it indexed correctly will make sure employees from all across your organization can efficiently find what they need. Collaboration and communication within the knowledge management tool. Knowledge management tool allows users to communicate and collaborate with one central portal. Messages can be sent back and forth, update notifications can be utilized, and feedback can be reviewed, addressed quickly and conveniently. A lot of times, we as an organization email one another to our different coworkers, and sometimes you have to wait, see when your coworker is going to open the email, read it, get what you need, and reply. And sometimes you just need a quick yes or no, or just a quick conversation. Now that we're online and everybody's working remotely, these quick conversations could be utilized within a knowledge management tool just to get somebody's attention, answer a quick question, and get the answer you need right away. And they can also refer you to where you need to find what you're looking for in a knowledge management tool. So collaboration and communication is vital within an organization from all departments on all different levels. Competitive advantages within knowledge management tools. Utilizing knowledge management tools often leads to competitive edges within a given industry due to improving business practices. The constant sharing and improvement of information creates value in the organization. Knowledge management seeks to capture knowledge, wisdom, and added value experiences of the staff and also apply, restore, and maintain knowledge as one of the organization's assets. So when people have the capability of sharing or in indexing documents and records at a centralized location and communication quickly within one another, such as I mentioned on the previous slide of shooting a quick message and answering something easily instead of email, it often saves a lot of time and money. And with the time and money that's saved on there, production can move faster or slower depending on what type of tool that you utilize. And input from all departments can be considered whenever you're doing on a certain project. So this gives a corporation a competitive advantage. Having better tools within the corporation will give them the edge out there in the industry. Technology needs for knowledge management tools. Organizations must ensure that they have access to all necessary technology needs prior to implementation. IT departments should be involved in primary conversations regarding which knowledge management program would be used. Knowledge management tools will need to be updated and serviced regularly, so the organization will need to make sure they have adequate resources. This is vital to an organization to include conversation about the tool of your selection with your IT department. Sometimes there's servers that need to be bought and implemented that have the latest operating system. These type of things need to be housed in different places. So the physical location is also important. Maybe a data center, maybe an office, depending on your organization size. That's where your IT is really gonna know where to place these items. The good thing is, as in today's world, we're moving to cloud for a lot of these infrastructure needs. So these small organizations can purchase these type of infrastructure needs from Google or from another place where they can house where they can house these physical needs remotely. So that is a good benefit of living in today's times. However, the program should still be serviced and updated regularly, and those type of things your IT department is going to need to know how often and when, and they also have to notify the organization to make sure that while people are using it, they can schedule an outage or a downtime. Today, we discuss knowledge management tools. We discuss the importance of centralized file storage, team collaboration, communication among team members, competitive advantages, and innovation and improvement. Thank you very much.